$111 and climbing. But Walmart just locked in a record Black Friday weekend, smashing $10 billion in online sales alone. While the market obsesses over flashy AI startups, the real money is piling into proven giants like this. One stock here is seeing institutions add shares faster than Nvidia in 2023. Stick around. These 5 are your February 2026 edge. But hold up. There's a secret metric flashing red hot on stock number 5. Ethereum ETF. Institutional ownership exploded 170% in the last quarter alone. This isn't hype. It's the tokenization supercycle institutions bet billions on. I'll reveal why it's the sleeper hit at the end. First, the rapid-fire breakdown. Stock number 1, Walmart. Hidden levers to returns. Walmart's AI-powered supply chain slashed inventory costs 15% in Q4 2025, fueling margin expansion amid holiday surges. Sam's Club membership hit 100 million, up 20% year-over-year, driving recurring revenue as consumers trade down smartly. Trading at $111.60, market cap $891 billion. Shares outstanding approximately 8 billion, massive float. Not a rocket, but volume spiked to 9 million shares yesterday on 20.5 million average. Steady climber from $80 lows. Institutions own approximately 55%, led by Vanguard $42 billion, State Street $18 billion, and FMR. Ownership ticked up as private Walton Holdings stabilized. Big fish like Norges Bank added positions last quarter. Walmart's route optimization AI and generative search on Walmart Please predict demand with 95% accuracy, turning retail into a data moat. They're outpacing Amazon in grocery AI personalization. Bull. Unbreakable dividend aristocrat in recession. Bear. Tariff risks on imports. Stock number 2, GE, Vernova, AI, supply shock winner. GEV's wind turbines and grid tech scored $50 billion in orders from AI data center boom, supplying power for hyperscalers' 100 gigawatts demand by 2026. Q3 earnings beat on electrification surge. $500 per share, post-spin growth. 271 million shares outstanding. Float 271 million. Institutions dominate 78%. Volume surges on energy news, up 0.63% shares year-over-year. 81% institutional grip. Vanguard, 25 million shares, plus 0.61%. BlackRock, 20 million, plus 1.84%. FMR, 23 million. JP Morgan exploded holdings 271% QOQ. They're betting on AI energy crunch. GEV's AI-optimized turbines hit 60% efficiency, feeding NVIDIA/AMD data centers. Their software predicts grid failures, essential for AI's power hunger. Bull. Monopoly in green grid for AI. Bear. Commodity price swings. Stock number 3, Amazon. From growth to a profit machine. AWS launched Graviton 5 AI chips December 2025, boosting margins to 38%. E-commerce profit flipped positive. India expansion adds $20 billion runway. $220 per share, 10.7 billion shares outstanding, float 9.7 billion. Institutions at 65%. Volume steady on AI announcements. 63 to 65% owned by institutions. Vanguard, BlackRock top the list, with recent inflows rewarding 7% weekly pops. Top 25 control 47%. Amazon dominates 31% cloud AI market. Nova AI and agentic tools integrate with hyperscalers. Graviton 5 crushes NVIDIA costs for training. Bull. Amazon AI moat unbreakable. Bear. Antitrust shadows. Stock number 4, Salesforce CRM. Why the market is wrong. Agentforce AI platform hit 10,000 customers. Q4 guidance $39 billion revenue, up 10%. Market undervalues Einstein AI's 30% margins versus core CRM. Approximately $290 per share, 937 million shares outstanding, float 912 million, 97%. Institutions 84%, shares down 1% year over year but stable. 83% institutional, Vanguard, BlackRock, T. Rowe Price. Recent 4.6%, POPs rewarded buyers. Top holders unmoved by dips. Einstein AI automates 50% sales tasks, thrives as enterprises embed AI copilots. Data flywheel unbeatable. Bull, AI CRM leader. Bear, valuation premium. Is GEV a grid savior or energy bubble? Drop your take below. Bull, bear, or buy. Stock number 5. Ethereum ETF. Tokenization supercycle. ETHA inflows hit $10 billion in Q4 2025 as BlackRock pushes RWA tokenization. Real estate, bonds on chain. Spot ETH rally plus 50% YTD. Approximately $30 per share. AUM, $6.3 billion exploding. Shares outstanding massive. Institutional shares plus 170% MRQ to 207 million. 506 institutions. Goldman Sachs, Jane Street, Citadel leading. Shares up 130 million QOQ, 170% surge. They're front-running tokenization. Ethereum powers AI agents DeFi, Layer 2s like base handle AI compute markets. Tokenization unlocks $16 trillion real-world assets. Bull, institutional crypto gateway. Bear, regulatory whiplash. Picture this. Nasdaq's rotating hard. Small-cap AI like Inod, CalX surged 200% on data center bets. But smart money smells blood in blue chips. Institutions dumped 50 billion megacaps for diversified AI exposure. Walmart's logistics AI, GE Vernova's grids, Amazon and CRM's cloud, Ethereum's future. Why? Blue chips peaked. These 5 blend stability with 3 times upside. Vanguard, BlackRock rotated $100 billion plus into this mix Q4 2025. They're not chasing memes. They're building AI infrastructure portfolios. February 2026. Data center capex hits $300 billion. These stocks front-run it. Walmart's hidden returns. GE Vernova's supply shock. Amazon's profit beast. CRM's market miss. Ethereum's supercycle. Buy the rotation. Smart money agrees. Smash like if you're positioning now. Subscribe. Subscribe for weekly AI stock deep dives. Comment your top pick. This is not financial advice. Investing involves substantial risk of loss. Past performance isn't indicative of future results. Do your own due diligence. Consult a professional. Stocks can go to zero.